Since the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic in Nigeria, Kaduna State government under Governor Nasru Ahmed El-Rufai's administration has taken several measures to curtail the spread of the virus and ensure effective management and treatment of the infected persons. Director General Kaduna State Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Agency, Engineer Ahmed Munir, has commended Governor Nasru Ahmed El-Rufai for the measures taken to protect the people of the state from the dreaded coronavirus.
During these extraordinary times, extraordinary measures are required. And allow us to, first of all, sincerely thank His Excellency, to show our immense gratitude for his leadership and his sacrifice, and most importantly, giving us the tools we need to work to be able to overcome this present day crisis that we are facing. Also would love to deeply appreciate Her Excellency the Deputy Governor for her coordination and her execution in terms of ensuring that we are defeating this particular challenge that is before us. And of course, we have to give a special mention to the unsung heroes, our doctors, our nurses, our health workers, our essential services staff that are on the front lines, putting their lives on the line to save others.
Kaduna State Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Agency, which is responsible for provision of potable water and sanitation in the rural communities, has been performing excellently with the massive intervention in rural water supply and sanitation across the state.
In every motor park, in every health center, we are providing them with water supply and sanitation facilities. Within a period of 14 days, we're able to rehabilitate 110 hand pump boreholes across our PHCs across the state within a period of 14 days. Within a period of 14 days, in addition to that, we're able to rehabilitate 360 boreholes across communities in Kaduna State. The idea is, once you're able to bring water to the doorstep of our community, it prevents them from walking kilometers on end to other communities, especially at this crucial time when everybody should be in place. So we bring down the risk of contamination, we bring down the risk of spreading or contracting diseases as you're moving these distances. And the most important thing is the potable water supply, the safe drinking water that is provided in the community. I can assure you, we have, between the period of December till now, apart from the rehabilitation, constructed about 5,000 water points, which include solar, the hand pump boreholes, the forced lift boreholes that we have done in these communities.
As part of efforts to provide safe drinking water, the Director General Ruwasa has inaugurated solar-powered boreholes at Kabala West and Unguwan Television.
Time to time, ruwa an siya. Mana taba zuwa ina ciki. Na je kinkinu neman mai ruwa. Na ji na sami ruwa. Truck daya 500 na siya. Dole na siya saboda ban da shi, ban da option. Amma yanzu mun gode ma Allah, mun gode ma gwamnatin Malam Nasir El-Rufai. Allah ya ƙara mai.
Yeah, we want to thank the government of BDD for what they've done for us. This guy, we appreciate them because we've been suffering in this area with the problem of water. those ones say we say thank you to them.
Find out that for so long ago, such thing has not happened in Kabala before. And this is a water that have supplied almost virtually 3 or 8 streets in Kabala West. So much we appreciate him, and we look forward to more of such projects in Kabala.
Explain and joy what this issue of water. You know, it's water is life. Thank God for government, especially as we can fight taking care of this particular community. Community entirely so happy because of this water.
Kaduna State Commissioner for Internal Security and Home Affairs, Samuel Arwan, says the execution of the project is part of democratic dividends as promised during campaigns.
Muna godiya ga Allah, muna kuma godiya ga gwamnatin jihar Kaduna, musamman wannan hukumar ta WASA. Ganin irin taimaka wajen sama al'ummar mutane su samu ruwa. Kowa ya sani yanayi wanda muke ciki akwai kalubale na ruwa wanda zai taimaka mutanen sosai.
To complement government efforts in the fight against coronavirus, Kaduna State Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Agency has provided hand-washing points at Ministry for Local Government and Facility Management Agency, KATFAMA.
Why you don't have a t-shirt?
Part of the guidelines that had been issued by the State Task Force on the control of COVID-19, preparatory to the opening of offices for public servants in the state. The issue is we want to have, assurance that the people who are either staff or visitors to our offices, observed the hygiene that is required to protect our people from contracting this virus.
This sink and the hand basin has been very important for us, especially since we have visitors coming into KATFAMA. Immediately they come in, they get to wash their hands before anything, and it's really helping in protecting people against COVID-19.
The idea behind putting wash basins across every single state facility is so that by the time work resumes, we are sure that there's going to be a level of sanity. So sanitary conditions will be much more uplifted. So every single person that comes in will have the opportunity to clean himself at every single time before getting into the facility. That way the state aims to reduce the chances of coronavirus spreading across its workers.
The state government is committed towards keeping Kaduna clean and safe. The provision of thousands of receptacles for distribution at various places.
We are calling the good people of Kaduna State. They should ensure desilting their drainages, especially at this point in time where we have a rainfall. And by desilting their drainages, it's expected the water will flow freely without any flood.
These measures that are being taken, as difficult as they may seem, it's for us to ease our burden in the longer run. Everybody has his role to play, and for the citizens at this current moment is to follow the orders and directives of the government and our health medical professionals. And the stay at home is for your children, for your elderly parents, grandparents, and the sacrifices are much. Our students are out of school at the moment. There are people that are out of work. We're aware of that. And of course, Kaduna State especially, but the country as a whole, we do rely a lot in the informal sector. So you can understand the level of challenge or difficulty that the citizens will face, because literally, when we mention daily bread, people actually go out to get daily bread. What they earn for the day is what they live by. But one needs to be alive to be able to pursue your daily bread. So additional patience.
Kaduna State Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Agency, under the leadership of Engineer Ahmed Munir, remains committed and resolute in providing potable water and sanitation in the state.